My name is Brittaineayy, and I wanted to show you this new QiBest lip gloss set. It is called Patreon Saint Velvet Matte Lipstick, and there are 12 colors in there. This is what the packaging looks like, and this is the back. So there's 12 colors in here. And we're going to start with number 1. We're gonna take off the lipstick I already have from a different brand and put this on, like all 12 of them. So yeah, some of these colors are really fun, and I can't wait to see what the pigment is like and if they perform as well as they look. Usually anything by QiBest and You Can Be in Everything are like just amazing. So yeah, oh, I love the packaging. Like, not only do I love that it came in like this cute little case, but like it's just like, I almost dropped it, but it's just like simple packaging, and it's not like overdrawn, because some like other companies will like try to like one up you on the packaging and everything, and then their products will just be not there. So a lot of You Can Be stuff is cute and simple, and their product, like, they try to spend so much more on making quality products rather than like trying to like wow you over the actual container. I'm not saying their container is bad or anything, but like I like more simple, kind of. Even though I love the bold looks, I like more simple when it comes to just like you can grab and go. So yeah, hold on real quick, let me wipe this off. Okay, so we're gonna start. So we're gonna get started with shade number 1. They have like little numbers on the bottom, and it doesn't like have a shade name, it just has a shade number. So this is the neutral. Hold on, let me flip the camera. So I'm not big on the peach tone, just because being a redhead, it is a little bit harder for me to pull off the peach tone, but it's not horrible. I think with a lip liner it definitely would be a lot better, but that is just with one coat. So it is pretty. I just think if it had a lip liner, like a little bit darker lip liner, and I put this on as like a not plumper, but like for the pouty look, then I think that would be a lot better. So that's number 1. So number 2 is more like a pinky color. Okay, so this is number 2, a little bit darker. Okay, so ignore my little baby hairs, they're getting crazy right now, but okay, this looks better with the makeup. But so that's 1 coat of number 2. So number 3 is a darker color. The wand is super easy to use, so there's no problems there. I mean, it's just a simple applicator, but it's not too wobbly, or like it's not wobbly or anything. So like some of the applicators you'll get, they flex and everything, which can be good on some of them, but I like the firm, because then I'm not one who has really big lips, so the firm like helps me kind of like lip line them. But so the pink one, or like the more pinkish one, number 2, I like a lot better so far out of the 3 that I just tried. This is great if I did a neutral look, but with this type of bold look, I probably would not choose it. I mean, it's okay, but I probably wouldn't choose it for this. I'd probably choose it for like a neutral look, but it's still pretty though. Number 4, oops, wrong way, number 4. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. It's almost like a tropical punch type of look. That's really pretty. That's super duper pretty. Ooh, I like that color. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. Oh, and also they're not thick, so you don't have to worry about, like, they're liquid lipsticks. They say on the package, I think they said a cream. Okay, no, velvet matte. But I thought I saw something that said something cream, and I was just like, oh, they're not a cream. But they're velvet matte lipsticks, and they feel really nice, and they look really nice. And so far, I've only had to put on 1 swipe, and that was it. Like, a lot of your liquid lipsticks, some companies, you'll have to put it on a couple times just to build that one color up, and these are only, like, I've only had to put 1 swipe on, and they are doing good so far. So, but this color is really, really pretty, so. Okay, number 5. That's a different pink color. Yeah, they're almost pretty much identical. This number 5 is just a little bit darker than number 4. Number 6. Which almost looks like number 1, except for number 1's a little bit more pale. Number 7. This one looks more nude / tan. Yeah, so this is like more nude / tan. Almost a good color for my skin type, except for not with the type of party look. I'd probably do more neutral colors on this with like a very like gold or like bronzy type of look, like eyeshadow look with this lip color. Number 8. So that would be okay again if that was just in the middle, if I had a darker lip liner. Still pretty and still pigmented, but definitely better if I had a lip liner. Number 9. This is definitely a fun color. It's like orange, but definitely a different fun color, so. Number 10. This is what I'm so excited about. It's black. Like, it looks pretty much solid black, so we're gonna see. Okay. Oh, yes. Oh my god, yes. Oh my god, okay. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh my god, so black. Oh my god. And this is just 1 coat. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. This one's a lot more thicker, but I definitely understand because it's super black. It is super, super black. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my god. I am living for this. Oh my god, I know I look very crazy with it on because that is not something I have on normally, but oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's a real fun color. You could even use that for like your eyeliner or eyeshadow, or you can be creative and use it anyway. I'm going to show y'all how I take it off just with a makeup remover. And they're not super hard to get off either, so. And they don't like leave a mess all over your face either. Because I know some lip liner or some liquid lipsticks would leave a mess all over your face. Like when you take it off and it just smears like on your cheeks and everything. So the black is a little bit harder to take off compared to the other colors, just because it's a little bit thicker. Because the other ones only needed like 1 or 2 swipes and it was all gone. But that's so understandable for black. It's so pigmented. And it's gone. Okay, so number 11. A more orange color. This one's really, really fun too. It's like a tropical orange color. That's a pretty color too. That's how the other ones take off. Number 12. So, last one. And fun too. So, I'm pretty excited. Very most excited about number 2. Number, I think it was 10, which was the black color. And then this one's pretty. And then there's one other one, I can't remember what number it was, but it was pretty, and it was just like kind of like almost like one of the ones I would wear for a neutral color. So I'm usually a red lip wearer, but I do like these because they're simple and they can go with any type of look. So yeah, so I absolutely love the packaging. Everything is adorable. The lip, the wand, the applicator is easy to kind of lip line your lips. I have smaller lips than normal people, I guess average people, because I don't know what everyone else has, but I feel like I have smaller lips than average people, but or at least nowadays. But so yeah, everything I like about it. The only difference is I do kind of wish that they would have shade names on the bottom, just so that way I could be like, yeah, shade whatever, instead of being like number something, because like if ever they change in the future or anything, then you know you can't get that color or something. I don't know. Anyways, I super like love them and I'm thankful that I got these to be able to try out for y'all. And yeah, just let me know what your favorite color is. I'm super really digging that black color. I kind of like just want to put it back on and go out there and freak my family out because they've never seen me with black lipstick on, so I think I'm gonna do that. Ooh, okay, thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Bye y'all.